The ocean holds more mysteries than outer space. We've mapped more of Mars's surface than we have of our own ocean floor. Today, dear friends, we're diving into the magical world of the ocean.
We'll see not only giant sea creatures, but also some of our favorite playful dolphins.
Recognize him. That's our friend Nemo. But in nature, he's called a clownfish because of his bright colors. By the way, clownfish come in all sorts of colors: black, yellow, red, and orange.
Look, it's a big reef turtle. It can stay underwater for several hours without coming up to breathe.
And did you know they come onto land to lay their eggs on the beach? Right in the same place where they were born. It's amazing how they can find it. Then the little ones crawl back into the water and start swimming from their very first days. No one teaches them. It's just in their nature.
And here comes Mr. Octopus. Look what he's doing. He can change the color of his skin to blend in with his surroundings. That helps him hide from predators. Yes, you got it right. It's the same octopus on the screen. First he was white, and now he's turned greenish. Oh, and guess what? He has 3 hearts while we only have 1.
Get ready. It's time to meet the top predator of the seas and oceans. That's right, the shark. These ocean dwellers have been around for millions of years. Just like some other deep-sea creatures, sharks appeared even before the dinosaurs, and they survived them by adapting to new environments. And this is a hammerhead shark. Its head has a very unusual shape that looks like a hammer. Thanks to its eyes being on the sides, it can see all around itself really well.
Have you ever swum with reef fish? They're so bright and colorful, and each one looks different. Many of them are actually poisonous. That's how they warn others that they're dangerous.
You might think, oh, here's another octopus, but nope, this one's a cuttlefish. They look really similar, but there are some key differences.
An octopus has 8 arms, while a cuttlefish has 10. 8 short ones and 2 long ones for hunting.
Octopuses are loners, but cuttlefish are very active and often swim in open water. They don't hide. Do you know what this sea creature is called? They're like birds of the ocean, aren't they? You've definitely seen them in cartoons. Mantas are the largest rays in the world. They're super friendly and can even swim alongside people. They're completely harmless to us. And when we talk about the ocean, we can't forget the colorful jellyfish.
Did you know they're made almost entirely of water? They have no bones, no brain, and not even a heart. Jellyfish can glow in the dark like little lights, and they're almost immortal. They can actually turn back into babies again. The first time I saw this little sea creature was in a store aquarium, and I instantly loved it. My mom said it's called a sea slug. It looks like a tiny cow, always nibbling on seagrass in the meadow. But if you look closely, you'll see that's how they actually clean the ocean floor and coral reefs, by eating algae. That's why they're super important for the ocean's ecosystem.
And what about this sea snake? Well, actually, it's not really a snake. It's a type of fish called a ribbon eel. It's named that way because it looks like a ribbon or a snake. On the ocean floor, it hunts for crustaceans, and for small fish, it's really dangerous. Here's something cool. When ribbon eels are young, they're black and all male. But when they grow up, they turn yellow and become female.
And now, let's meet the giants of the deep! It's every diver's dream to swim with these massive dolphins. Yes, you heard that right. The orca is actually the largest dolphin in the world.
You should know that an orca isn't a fish. It's a mammal. It breathes air, just like we do.
And orca moms feed their babies with milk. Each pod, or family, even has its own special language.
Look, it's a pufferfish, round like a soccer ball. It's a predator, and it's also poisonous.
Oh, how How amazing would it be to see this true king of the ocean up close? It's a whale! Would you like that?
The blue whale is the largest animal on Earth. It can be longer than 3 buses. They can sing, and that's how they communicate with each other over long distances. Whales also help nature. They fertilize the ocean and help tiny plants grow, which in turn clean the air. Subscribe to our channel. Lots of fun adventures are waiting for you.